Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. So right now we're going to look at Gomukhasana, the asana which is done in sitting position. Like I've mentioned before also in other videos, all the little details, everything what you need to know about this asana is explained in detail in your guide. So please refer there. And right now let's look at it how it's done practically. So in sitting position, we are going to basically bring our legs on top of each other. Knees will be layered on top of each other. So two ways you can do this. First, the one I liked, basically you just come in table pose from here, bring one leg like this and just sit back. That's it. Your knees are layered on top of each other. Your feet are very next to your hips. From here, whichever leg is on top, you're going to raise that arm by inhaling. Bring it on your, or place it on your back slowly. Slide your left arm onto your back. Hold the palms behind your back and breathe. You're not going to slouch down like this. Make sure your spine is straight and erect. Your chin is lifted up and you're going to breathe. Inhale, exhale, slow and steady. Find your balance. Don't be shaky. And let me show you how it looks from behind. Slowly release, arms come to the side and both legs in sitting. I hope you did understand that. Happy practicing.